Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to open account on Revolut. Right, so this is very easy thing to do. First of all, you have to just go to Play Store, and once you go to Play Store, make sure you install Revolut and search for here. If you're using iPhone, then just go to the App Store and we will just open our Revolut here. Now it will ask me to log into and sign up. To make an account, we have to just go and click on sign up. Here they will ask our mobile number, so you can use your mobile number to get started here, and once you enter your mobile number, that's it, you will get started in Revolut. And after it, you will be able to access Revolut properly and everything can be done. You can send money, you can just receive money, you can transfer money to your account and do a lot of stuff which Revolut allow. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.